Welcome to this guided demonstration on executing an automatic payment run in SAP ERP. In this session, you'll learn how to initiate, configure, and complete a payment run that automates the process of paying vendors. Using transaction F110, you'll enter essential parameters, generate a payment proposal, review selected items, and complete the payment run with the system-generated posting entries. This process plays a critical role in the procure-to-pay cycle. It ensures that vendors are paid accurately and on time, that financial transactions are properly posted, and that manual workload is reduced through automation. Let's consider how this works at a company like Pepsi. With thousands of suppliers providing ingredients, packaging, and marketing services globally, ensuring timely payments is not just a finance function, it's a business continuity requirement. An automated payment run helps Pepsi's accounts payable team pay hundreds of vendors across different countries without missing due dates or creating duplicate payments. It also ensures their financial records are always accurate and up to date. As you go through this lesson, take a moment to reflect. How are vendor payments handled in your organization? Are payment runs manually triggered, or is automation already in place? Could using SAP's structured payment run process improve efficiency or reduce payment errors? Let's begin and explore how SAP ERP brings speed, accuracy, and reliability to vendor payments. Let's begin by navigating to the area in SAP where we can initiate and manage an automatic payment run. From the SAP Easy Access screen, follow this path: Accounting, Financial Accounting, Accounts Payable, Periodic Processing, Payments. Alternatively, you can access it directly using the transaction code F110. This will bring up the screen for automatic payment transactions. We are now on the automatic payment transactions status screen. Here is where we will begin configuring our payment run. First, enter the run date. This should be today's date, indicating when the payment run is initiated. Next, in the identification field, enter a unique identifier for this payment run. This ID can be any alphanumeric code such as your initials and today's date, and it ensures that this run can be referenced or audited later. Once both fields are completed, press enter to proceed. Now navigate to the Parameters tab to input further details that control which documents will be included in this payment run. Begin by entering the posting date. This should again be today's date, which determines when the payment documents will be posted in the financial system. Next, input the documents entered up to date. This should be set to yesterday's date to ensure that all vendor invoices entered into SAP before today are considered for payment. Under company code, enter 1000. This identifies the legal entity for which the payment run is being processed. Now, under payment methods, enter CH, indicating that payments will be made by check. SAP supports different payment methods such as bank transfer, direct debit, and check, and this code helps route transactions appropriately. For next payment date, enter today's date plus 1 month. This sets the schedule for when the next payment cycle should be triggered. Enter the vendor number of the supplier to whom the payment is due. This ensures the run only processes payments for that specific vendor. Once all data is entered, click Save to store the parameters. Then return to the Status tab. You will now see the status updated, confirming that the parameters have been successfully entered. This is your signal to proceed with scheduling the proposal. Click the Schedule Proposal button to begin generating a list of due payments. In the Schedule Proposal dialog box, choose Start Immediately, then press Enter. This tells SAP to generate the payment proposal without delay. The system will begin processing. Refresh the status screen by pressing Enter periodically until a message appears confirming that the payment proposal has been created. Once the proposal is ready, click Display Proposal to view the list of payments selected for processing. The payment proposal provides a clear overview of all vendor invoices that the system recommends for payment based on due dates, terms, and payment methods configured in the system. Review this list carefully to ensure that all proposed payments are valid. You may remove or adjust entries if needed before continuing. When you are satisfied with the proposal, click Schedule Payment Run to move forward with executing the payments. In the Schedule Payment Run dialog box, again choose Start Immediately and press Enter. The system will now begin the payment process. Continue refreshing the status screen by clicking Enter until you receive a confirmation message that the payment run has been completed and the system has created the associated posting orders. These posting orders represent the financial transactions generated by the payment run. They ensure all vendor liabilities are cleared and financial entries are accurately reflected in the general ledger. By following these steps, you can efficiently perform an automatic payment run in SAP ERP. This ensures vendors are paid on time, financial records are updated correctly, and your organization's procure-to-pay cycle remains efficient and reliable. Well done completing this walkthrough of the automatic payment run process in SAP ERP. You've now seen how to enter parameters, create a payment proposal, review selected invoices, and complete the payment run, all while ensuring that financial transactions are recorded accurately in the system. This functionality is much more than just a batch job. It's a powerful tool for managing payment operations at scale. Automating this process not only saves time but also helps organizations maintain consistent cash flow, avoid late fees, and keep vendor relationships strong. Think back to Pepsi's operations. With so many invoices due at any given time, manually processing each one would be time consuming and error prone. But with SAP ERP, their finance teams can set clear payment rules, trust the system to make accurate selections, and maintain full transparency over each payment cycle. Now it's your turn to reflect. Are you leveraging automation in your vendor payments? Could structured runs and payment proposals reduce stress at month end or during audit reviews? What improvements could be made in your own accounts payable process? With these insights and skills, you are now ready to confidently handle payment processing tasks and contribute to a more efficient and accurate financial workflow. Keep building your SAP expertise. You're doing great.